every day, there are countless vehicles in use. Therefore, we cannot ignore the fact that there is an enormous amount of mechanical energy being wasted. If we can recycle this given kinetic energy into usable electricity using streetlights, we will be able to save a considerable amount of electrical energy. This system is designed to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. There are two main parts in the system. First one is mechanical part. Its main function is capture vehicle's kinetic energy and pass it to the electrical part. When vehicle goes over the upper plate, place goes down, and here we used rack and pinion mechanism to convert linear motion into circular motion. We use a pre-wheel and a chain to make rack and pinion, and we laid a nylon pulley and fixed it to the pre-wheel, then transferred energy to an electrical motor. Then comes to the electrical part. We took the output current from the motor and gave it to the booster. Booster is designed to output a 14.4 volts constant voltage. Minimum input for booster is 7 volts. For every voltage greater than 7 volts, booster output is 14.4 volts. We have given this voltage to MPPT controller as input. MPPT means maximum power point tracker. In MPPT controller, there are two voltage dividers which are used to measure the voltage of the battery and the booster separately. And also there is an ACS 712 current sensor to measure the output current of the booster. Based on these values, circuit calculates battery percentage using open circuit method. MPPT controller has three operating regions which are mainly depends on the battery percentage. First, we check whether battery percentage is lower than 50. Then we charge the battery using 14.4 volts and current between 0.8 and 1 ampere. If battery percentage is greater than 50 and lower than 80, then we charge the battery using 13.5 volts. If battery percentage is greater than 80, then we give a constant 12.6 volt and 0.5 ampere input. And there is an output USB port in MPPT controller which can be used to charge mobile phones and do other stuffs.